we are talking about the Concert Tour Desktop Publisher Simulation. We are still in part 4. We're talking about the fan club member card, Project 13, in the book. It's on page 81. All right, so we're on page 81. The objective is to design a membership card for your band's new fan club. So by now, your band in the simulation, your band should start having some fans. So here's the overview. Since your band's big concert in the park and signing party, fan response has been overwhelming. People in your hometown have even started a fan club. The new members have contacted you in hopes that you will design a membership card for the fan club. You can't turn them down. So use your desktop publishing software to design a member card that they will be proud of. So what is a fan member card? A member card is a card certifying membership in an organization. It can be used for all kinds of businesses and organizations. A person will normally receive a member card for joining a club. The card will usually include the names of the member, chapter, member number, and date of acceptance. Be sure that you read the strategies and design tips on page 81. We also have it in eLearn as well. Same information, page setup information. Here are some examples of the member cards that students have done. Be sure you look at that on eLearn. So here's one and here's one. We also have the member card example for Stonehenge on page 84 in the book. So look at Stonehenge's example. In the book on page 82, be sure you read the gray box as always. What am I looking for when I'm grading? Because what's in the instructions? It needs to have a headline title that identifies the card, like for example, official fan club member card. You must have your band's logo that you created. Your band's contact information, including address, city, state, zip code, phone number, fax number, website, and email address. The month and year the card expires. And the following text. This is your official, put your band's name, fan club membership card. Present this card to get discounts and special offers on band merchandise and tickets. Thank you for your continued support of our band. We look forward to seeing you in the crowd. So it must include this. Also include a place for the fan club member to sign his or her name. And additional text or graphic images to enhance the design. So you got the there, all the contact information, logo, and extra graphics. Now let's talk about the page setup instructions. It must be one page that's 8.5 by 11 inches. Margins are 1 inch on all sides. Portrait. We're not printing. You must create a 5-inch wide and 4-inch tall rectangle. So let me open up InDesign and show you how to get that started. Click on InDesign. Always go to InDesign Preferences, Units and Increments. Make sure it says inches. Click OK. Create a new document. 8.5 by 11 portrait. It said 1 inch margins on all sides. So 1 inch margin, all sides. Click OK. There you go. And then you draw the rectangle. Make sure that you have a stroke. Draw it, and then you want it to be 5 inches wide and 4 inches tall. So make sure it's that exact dimensions, because I'll count off if it's not correct. And then you're going to add everything that is said on page 82 in the gray box. And then you're going to save this in your 6 weeks folder as if you're in 1B underscore last name first initial underscore member card or fan member card. Just as long as I can identify it and it has your name and period in there. Does anybody have any questions about the fan member card?
No.
Oh, okay. Thank you.